Hello friends, welcome to Tech-Table Tutor. In this tutorial, you will learn how to build a complete loan calculator in Excel from scratch. We will break down the EMI calculation, explain how your monthly payments are divided between interest and principal, and automatically generate a detailed monthly repayment table. Don't forget to subscribe. Many of our viewers haven't subscribed yet, so make sure to stay updated with amazing Excel tutorials. Let's start with our input section. Create the following input fields: loan amount, annual interest rate, loan tenure in years, and EMI start month. These values will drive all our calculations. Make sure they are in separate cells. We will reference them using cell addresses. We will now calculate the monthly EMI using Excel PMT function. The PMT function calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. The formula is equals to PMT, open parenthesis, annual interest rate divide by 12, comma, loan tenure months, comma, minus loan amount, close parenthesis. We divide the rate by 12 to convert it into monthly interest and multiply the tenure by 12 to get total months. Don't forget the minus sign, otherwise Excel will show the result as a negative number. Now, let's create the amortization schedule. Your table will have these columns: month, EMI, interest paid, principal paid, outstanding balance. We will fill this dynamically using formulas. Now, let's calculate the first month. The month is simply the start month. You can reference that from the input cell. EMI remains constant, so we log the reference with dollar signs. Interest is calculated on the outstanding balance, previous balance, multiply monthly rate. Principal is EMI minus interest. Now, new balance is previous balance minus principal. Be sure to log cell references properly so we can drag the formulas. To autofill the months, use the EDATE function. It helps add one month at a time, even handling leap years and month ends perfectly. Then drag the EMI, interest, principal and balance columns down till your balance becomes 0. Now, you have got a full loan amortization schedule auto-calculated and ready. Let's calculate a summary at the bottom. Total EMI paid is the sum of the EMI column. Total interest paid is the sum of all interest portions. And total principal paid should exactly match your original loan amount. These totals gives a clear idea of how much interest you are paying over the years. You now have a professional dynamic Excel loan calculator with a complete amortization schedule. No add-ins, no VBA, just pure Excel formulas. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech-Table Tutor. Please write in the comments if you want the template file or if you want us to make a video showing the dashboard version of this. See you in the next video.